this is the Surveyor Legend 276 BHLE. You're going to have a dry weight of 6,358 pounds with a GVWR of 7,650 pounds. Hitch weight on this unit is 650 pounds. Your length is going to be 32 feet 6 inches, and a freshwater capacity of 40 gallons, black water of 30 gallons, and gray water of 40 gallons. Awning length on this unit is going to be 19 feet. Hi guys, Jevon with RV Wholesalers here. I'm going to walk you through the Surveyor Legend 276 BHLE. These is a line we just started carrying, so I'm excited to go through it with you. You will see you've got the power tongue jack on this unit. Going right around the corner, a nice little pass-through storage there, so quite a bit of outside storage for you to carry your camping equipment on. It's going to give you a little outside camping kitchen for you, small little fridge, and then a pull-out that you put in Greystone, which they supply for you. Be able to use that as well. Got a nice awning length LED to light your campsite up with. Really nice to have on those dark nights. And then you can also see you've got a black tank flush. This unit gives you two separate entries. Rear entry is going to take you right into the bathroom, which is kind of nice to not have to track dirt through the camper when somebody's got to use the restroom or something. On the back, the Surveyor Legends give you a nice little rack for some cargo. 200-pound capacity with the tire on there. That leaves you 150 pounds that you can use that with. This unit has a great little loading door here that goes right into the unit. This is the bunk area that we'll see here in a minute, but this will raise up. You can got some great storage in there, you know, for bikes, maybe a kayak or something, but a really great area there for you for some storage. And then your roof rack here as well. All right, so here we are inside. Great unit, nice, you know, livable space here, nice and roomy. Get a nice little TV there across from your seating. Be able to kick back, enjoy that. You'll see on the wall here your control panel for your slides, lighting, all that, as well as your radio for you as well. Your couch here, that is going to be a hide-a-bed, so you've got another area to sleep there for you. Your dinette, of course, is going to also drop down, create a nice sleeping area for a smaller child, of course. Not going to be quite big enough for somebody like me, but those of you with small kids, you can put them there as well. And then, of course, you've got here a nice little bunk area. This was from the outside, that rear door I showed you. You can see that this bed comes up, gives you a great space there. Again, put some bikes, kayak, stand-up paddleboard, whatever you might want. Gives you a nice little place for that there, and access from inside and out. Nice little kitchen here for you. They give you, you know, sink cover. Also doubles as a cutting board. You've got two of those there, so really nice option there for you. You can see gives you a nice little bottle opener there, you know, for those adult beverages you need help getting open. 3-burner stove. The cover also works as a backsplash for you, and then you get your oven as well on that. Got a nice little Greystone microwave above it here, and then again some nice storage above, and then your pantry here is going to be between the fridge and your kitchen area as well. Nice size fridge and freezer here for you, plenty of storage. All right, so nice little bathroom here. One thing to point out with the Surveyor Legend is they do give you a porcelain toilet. So a lot of your campers are going to give you that plastic RV toilet. Some like a little upgrade, a little bit sturdier porcelain. Surveyor Legend gives that to you. Nice little size shower here with a skylight, so even somebody my size, plenty of headroom for you to take a shower. And then a nice blackout shower curtain for you as well for a little privacy. Nice little medicine cabinet here. Oh, there we go. And a nice spot here below for toothbrushes and stuff like that, and then some storage under the sink. Your tank readout, water pump, gas water heater control is all going to be there below your sink in the bathroom here. So, all right, so here in the bedroom, you've got a nice little barn style sliding door there for you to give you some privacy back in the bedroom. And then a really nice size bedroom, gives you some walk around space, gives you your storage on either side of the bed here. And then actually behind that and at the head of the bed gives you some nice shelf space, a couple of cup holders, but a great place to put, those of you that might have a CPAP or something, got a great space there for it as well. On both sides, you're going to get USBs as well as a regular outlet for electric as well. And then at the foot of the bed, you've got your TV backer here with your connections. That way you can put a TV in here if you'd like for your bedroom as well. All right, guys, I appreciate you going through this unit here with me. If you got any questions on this unit or any others, give us a call. You can reach myself at extension 1000. Love the chance to go over your questions, and enjoy the opportunity to earn your business. Have a great day, guys.